everybody, Chris here with IPD, and I'm extremely excited to announce that we have partnered with 1552 Wheel Company. For those enthusiasts out there that recognize the brand, that's great because these wheels are on some of the most iconic cars out there in the aftermarket industry. For those of you that aren't familiar with 1552, we're here to tell you that the team at 1552 are some of the most passionate individuals that we have ever met. They care about the motorsport industry, they care about the function, the fit, the quality, everything about these cast wheels. That's why IPD is extremely excited to offer these to all of our Volvo clients and customers, because this is a great way to make your car look more unique, improve the appearance and the performance of your Volvo. "1552 offers various lines of wheels and designs. One of those lines that we offer is called the Super Touring line. Those wheels were all designed based off of the 90s era British Touring Car Championship series. That circuit was highly competitive amongst many manufacturers, car manufacturers.
Yes, and it is Rickard Rydell, the reigning British Touring Car Champion of 1998. He's been driving for Volvo for some years now.
Me being a Volvo enthusiast, I love that series. That's about the time that I got my driver's license, and I wanted to build a car that was based off of those models and the looks. The very famous 850 wagon race car and the S40 race car driven by Rickard Rydell, one of my favorite race car drivers. That's what I wanted my car to look like. I wanted it to be lowered, I wanted to have cool wheels, and I just wanted to have that appeal that those BTCCC racing cars had. And I really believe that 1552 knocked it out of the park with their Super Touring line, offering wheels that look exactly or very close to what those wheels were offered on those racing cars. For me, working at IPD back in those days, it was so cool to see those cars on the track and the style that they had. And when I met up with 1552 and all the people that worked there, I was blown away that they were able to capture the design. It took me right back to those days and the feelings that I had being able to outfit a car with wheels that were very similar to those offered on the same cars that were out there competing every weekend. One thing that I appreciate about 1552 is that they've kept their passion going in the newest designs on some of the coolest cars out there in the aftermarket industry. They've increased from their Super Touring line and they've expanded into what they call the Rally Sport line, which you can see wheels that were offered in off-road and rally racing, but they brought those wheels with a high quality aspect of a cast wheel that you can put on your car and drive every day on the street with that high-end reliability. So 1552 has done an amazing job with their Super Touring line of wheels, with their Rally Sport wheels. That really gives the enthusiast to put a set of wheels on their car from one of their most famous iconic cars that are out there in the motorsport industry. They can take that same design, put it on their daily, and still have all the faith that it's going to be reliable and a high quality cast wheel at an affordable price. Another lineup of wheels that IPD is offering is their MX line of wheels. The MX line of wheels is catered more to the enthusiast that's looking to go off-road, like with our overland builds. We're currently using the MX Wanderer on our project car, on our XC70 and our XC60 right now. That is a fantastic wheel, and we'll continue to add more wheel designs to the MX line from 1552 in the near future. If you're looking to install a set of aftermarket wheels on your Volvo, 1552 gives you an opportunity to choose from various wheel designs inspired by a rich motorsport background at a fraction of the cost. You don't have to spend a ton of money to get the wheels and the look and feel that you want for your Volvo. When you're looking on IPD's website at 1552 Wheels, the wheels are on our website for specific applications. If there's an application that you're currently not seeing, please let our CS agents know. We just begun this partnership with 1552. We're continuing to add more lines of wheels and working with them to bring more lines and different designs back that might not be currently offered by 1552 or IPD at this time. But if you have any questions, you can always contact us at 800-444-6473 or check out our website at ipdusa.com.